What's good, everyone? Your boy just got home. So, as I got out of my car, I noticed that my brake lights is a little shining back here. My brake lights are still on. And I already locked the car and everything too. And they won't come off. So, the problem today is that usually on your brake pedal, there is a little stopper underneath the brake pedal. Let's see if we can get y'all into there and get a good look at it. This is our brake pedal right here. My hand is on it. And this is where it goes all the way up. There's a let's see if we can get some focus in there. There is a little stopper. I don't know if you can see it. A little black stopper there where that hole is supposed, a little stopper where that white part is right there. It's supposed to go into the black hole right there, so that when you press this white part in, your brake lights go off. And when you press on the brake pedal, the white little stopper extends, and that's when your brake light comes on, and they turn back off when this goes in. So our stopper is missing right now, and we need to replace that. So lucky for us, AutoZone has a replacement for it, and you can buy this at AutoZone. It's like $7.50. So what we're gonna do right now is we'll replace it real quick. So the first piece I tried didn't work that well, the white one. So I'm trying the black piece right now. Hopefully this one will work a bit better. So I'm gonna try to get that in there right now first. Okay, we got it in there now. That black rubber piece is in there nice and solid. And now my brake lights work okay again. The black rubber piece fits in a lot better than the other one. So this one, you should use that one instead of the white piece. And as y'all can see, my brake lights are off now. Yay! Peace out, guys.